multiple optimal solution in transportation table. Okay, what does it mean by multiple optimal solution? It means that there are alternative transportation routes with the same transportation cost, and it is optimal, right? The alternative route is also optimal. All right, how do we spot or how do we detect that there is an alternative optimal solution? As usual, we have to calculate the row cost first and the column cost, and for the using the occupied cells, all right? And then for the empty cells, we are going to calculate the improvement indices, right? In this case, we have 0, we have 1, we have 3, and we have 4. These are the improvement indices. All right. Now, look at this improvement index. The value is 0. So this tells us that there is an alternative table or alternative solution which is also optimal. That means with the same total transportation cost. So how do we get the alternative optimal solution? Well, we have to treat this cell which has 0 index, 0 improvement index, as the entering cell. All right, that means this cell will receive goods, and then we'll have to find the leaving cell and then proceed as usual. Okay, so that's all.